Here's the basic breakdown. F stands for fighter. These are jets designed for air-to-air combat, like the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the F-22 Raptor. Stands for attack. These specialize in close air support and ground attack missions, like the legendary A-10 Thunderbolt II. B stands for bomber. These are built for long-range strikes, dropping heavy payloads on enemy targets, like the B-2 Spirit or B-52 Stratofortress. Let's look at some real-world examples. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation fighter jet designed for stealth and dominance in the skies.